Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ferment vegetables for probiotics. First, gather your ingredients. Choose fresh, organic vegetables like cabbage, carrots, or cucumbers. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Next, prepare your brine. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt into 4 cups of filtered water. This salt concentration is crucial for a safe and effective fermentation process. Now, let's pack our jars. Tightly layer your chopped vegetables into a clean, sterile glass jar. Packing them densely helps prevent air pockets. Carefully pour the prepared brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. This prevents mold growth. Leave about 1 inch of empty space from the top of the jar to allow for gas expansion during fermentation. With your jars packed, it's time for fermentation. Seal the jar with a lid or use an airlock if you have one. Store it in a cool, dark place, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Daily, gently open the lid for a few seconds to burp the jar, releasing carbon dioxide. Ferment for 3 to 7 days, or until it reaches your preferred tanginess. Once your vegetables have fermented to your liking, it's time to store them. Move the sealed jars to your refrigerator. The cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving their flavor and texture. These delicious, probiotic-rich vegetables are now ready to enjoy as a healthy snack, a vibrant side dish, or an addition to your meals. They can last for several months when refrigerated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.